Wolf Street Eats, baby. Today we are making these Italian ciabatta chicken pesto sandwiches. We're going to start by mashing up and tenderizing this meat, taking the war hammer to this bad boy, and we're going to slice these tomatoes nice and thick. We don't like that thin stuff. We like the fat tomato slices. Here's my avocado, just getting it ready, taking the pit out, slicing and dicing and moving around. Here's my warhammer again. I took it to the garlic. I ground that garlic. I minced it with this little tool. The tool's okay. It's kind of a hassle. I put one serrano. Here I'm making the sauce, olive oil, butter, cream. I added the garlic and the serrano, some salt and a whole lot of pepper, some pesto that I got in La Costco. Again, I do a lot of shopping at Costco. Here's my chicken. I don't have it on here, but the seasoning I got is from, I think it's Blackwood or something like that. I'll find it and I'll let you know later. But the chicken came out really nice and tender because I beat the life out of it. And I'm using ciabatta bread. I love ciabatta bread with these sandwiches. As you can see, it's lightly toasted, nothing too heavy. Smearing that avocado on there. Putting up those fat slices of tomatoes. And then adding the chicken. I almost forgot at this point to add the provolone. And I remembered last minute. So dipping this nice bread into our fat sauce, our Italian sauce. And yeah, here's where I forgot the provolone. There's the provolone now. And then put that on top. That looks good already. Smash that sucker back on that griddle. Here's my food taster. The family had just come home from swimming. As you can tell, he's disheveled. He smells of chlorine. He was starving like Marvin. This was very satisfying to him and everybody else. That's how we made these ciabatta chicken pesto sandwiches. Please like, subscribe, share, post, repost at Wolf Street Eats.